Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Moto E22i and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the history. And as you can see, this is the list of previously visited websites, and if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. However, if in your case this list is really long, then removing it manually is not, let's be honest, the most efficient way. So let's simply tap on clear browsing data, which is at the top. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics, we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, auto-fill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. You can also change the time range from last hour to 7 days or even all time. So it's up to you. Just choose the option and tap on clear data. Confirm it sometimes. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed all browsing history. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.